what you get. I think I paid like 200 baht for this. Have a mini bar. You can buy your stuff here. It's not very comfortable, but it is what it is. For the price, I can't complain. I just arrived. I'm in Ko Pha Ngan, and in this video I will show you what I can do in 24 hours in Ko Pha Ngan. First things first, I got my home. I'm paying close to 1000 baht for this house. You can come with me, see? Please. It's not the best place, but it is what it is. Comes with a great view. Now, let's see the outside. This is my favorite spot in a house. Come check it out. And this is the view I got. Incredible view, cannot get any better than this, I'm sure, for this price. Yeah, just good spot, relaxing place. Next stop, I know we in Thailand, but I feel like eating Mexican food today. So we will go to Mexican restaurant here in Ko Pha Ngan. I'll check the reviews on Google, they look good. So I'll check it out by myself, come with me, let's go. This is the motorcycle I got today. I'm paying 250 baht. Is a click 125. You see them all over the place here. And the local Mexican restaurant, so let's try it out. Let's go. It's possible to eat? Yeah. Eat? I think I will go for the tacos with Australian steak. 70 baht a taco, I think. Is good food, good ingredients, but could be a little better, I'm not gonna lie. This is not very crispy at all, and some parts inside look a little cold, but taste is there. You know, it's not the best taste in the world, but you can still feel a little Mexican cuisine here. I just go 7-Eleven now to get something to drink and walk a little bit, because sometimes I get lazy and I only use my scooter to move around. So yeah. I'm looking for a good place to watch the sunset. Maybe I'm going to Amsterdam Bar or 420, I think it's the name. Amazing places to see the sunset. I will update you soon where I'm going. Last stop of the day. Places you can see have an amazing view. Come with me, check out this place. For you to come here, you need to be careful because it's very dangerous. I'm in the top now, and let's check out the inside to see if the view is as amazing as I see online. Place is very chill, it's just amazing. I'm still chilling here. This place is huge. Owner told me this place has 3 floors. I just had dinner. Dinner was fine, not very expensive for the view you get. This is the way out. In the middle of the jungle, as you can see, I think is a little dangerous. Be careful, don't drink too much, don't smoke too much, because you still need to go through all this. I'll put it in a video, but I'll definitely recommend this place. It was an awesome experience, great view, the food was also on point, not very expensive for the experience you get, but yeah, that's it. Just come here a little bit to chill.